Hello, my name is Brent Hull, and I'm one of your MLS directors here at the Greater El Paso Association of Realtors. What we're going to do is we're going to, over the next several months, we're going to have a monthly video on Did You Know, which is going to help showcase certain features that can help make you a more productive and better agent utilizing the MLS. So what we're going to show today is how to locate a property and see if it's in a flood zone. So first, you're going to log into your MLS, you're going to go to quick search, and once you get in here, you will then go over to the right hand side of the map, click the red push pin, type in your address, and we're going to use 400 Bissonet, and all you need is a street number, street name, and the zip code, which is 79907. Hit locate, and then make sure that you can zoom in to make sure that you do have the correct street number, correct street name. Once it's good, hit use this location, close out this window, and in the upper right hand corner of your map you're going to see overlays with a drop down menu. You click that, come down, and you'll see where it says El Paso County flood zones, FEMA flood zones. You're going to click both of those, click done, and if you're zoomed in too far, it may not show. So in my case, I had to zoom out just a little bit, but you can see here as we zoom out that this property is located in a flood zone, and it's labeled AH. Just above the red push pin, you're going to see a little box that has little colors in it, and it's the legend. You click the legend, and it will show you what AH means. In this case, in both El Paso County flood zone and the FEMA flood zone, AH stands for pond flood hazard. So this property is located in a flood zone. And that is our Did You Know for this month.